Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up user feedback UI with SurveyMonkey, beginner guide step by step clearly. Start by logging into your SurveyMonkey account. If you don't have an account, create one by signing up on the website. Once logged in, click on Create Survey on your dashboard. Choose a template or start from scratch to create your feedback survey. If you select a template, browse through the options and pick one that suits your needs. If you start from scratch, give your survey a title that reflects its purpose. Next, you'll enter the survey builder. Begin adding questions by clicking Add Question. Select the type of question you wish to include, such as multiple choice or open-ended. Type your question into the text box provided. If applicable, add answer choices for multiple choice questions. Consider using rating scales for questions that require feedback on a scale. You can also enable options like required to make certain questions mandatory. Arrange your questions in a logical order by dragging and dropping them as needed. Preview your survey periodically to see how it looks from a respondent's perspective. Once you're satisfied with the questions, click on Collect Responses. Select a collection method, such as web link or email. If you choose a web link, the link will be generated for you to share. For email collection, enter the email addresses of your intended respondents. Customize your email message if using email collection. Next, configure additional settings like survey deadlines or response limits. Finally, publish your survey by clicking on the Launch button. Congratulations, your user feedback UI is now set up with SurveyMonkey. Monitor responses in real time via the Analyze Results section. Use the insights gathered to improve your product or service. Regularly check for updates on responses to stay engaged with your audience. And that's how you set up a user feedback UI with SurveyMonkey. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.